Hi there, Doug again from Black Sun Mortgage. Thanks for coming along and learning about some financing for this particular property that you just toured at 3002 1308 Hornby Street in Vancouver, British Columbia. And what a view, huh? That North Shore view is awesome with the mountains and the city. Wow. But why don't we just look into some of the financing for this property? The property is listed at $1,499,000 with 20% down. Yes, because of the price, you're going to have to put 20% down on this property. That would be $299,800. There is no mortgage insurance on this, and the total mortgage would be $1,199,200, $1.2 million. We can do a 30-year amortization on that at 3.89%, which is the going rate today. That mortgage payment's going to be $5,628 a month. Now, remember, you also have your maintenance fee. The maintenance fee on this property is, I think, $591 a month. That's the strata fees, or HOA fees, I think they call them in the States. And your city taxes each year are approximately $3,500, just shy of that. That's a little higher. So you have to have those in consideration to your monthly payment and those additional costs. Well, let's look at putting more than 20% down on this property. Let's look at 35% down. And at 35% down, you have to come up with $524,650. On a 30-year amortization, you are mortgaging $974,000. Your monthly payment's going to be $45.73 a month. And then, if we just go halfers and go 50% on this deal, you're looking at putting almost $750,000 down on this. So you're mortgaging almost $750,000. On a 30-year amortization at the 3.89%, you're looking at $35.18 a month. Then you've got your maintenance fee of $591 and a portion of your taxes with roughly about $300 added to that. So that's what you're looking at. Now remember, here in British Columbia, we also have property transfer tax that you have to pay, and the property transfer tax on this property works out to be $27,980. So that is additional cash that's added to the down payment that goes into purchasing the property. You cannot make that and add it into your mortgage. You have to come up with cash for that. So those are the costs going into this one. If you have any other questions regarding mortgages or loans here in British Columbia, feel free to contact me at doug@blacksunmortgage.com or give me a call. And thank you so much for following me here. Please like and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on another tour and another financing mission, I guess. All right. Have yourself a good day. We'll see you soon.